Fiero GT. The following movie is rated I.
Yeah, I think he's going in the same hole as the other one that just ran in there.
I don't know what the hell's going on out here, Bob.
Apparently they share the same hole.
That's what she said.
Back from Florida, boys, so it's time to uncover the Fiero, sand it down with some 2000 and buff it up, see if we can make it shine.
Starting a wet sanding process, 2000. Did one spot, and of course I sanded over it again, but come out really good. I'll be happy if I can get the whole car to look like that one spot did. Little wet sanding with some 2000 grit. Lots and lots of orange peel. That's what happens when you do a crappy paint job. If you want it to look good, you have to put a little more time into it. So you save in one area and have to make up for it in another. You can see how much orange peel is in that. Gotta go a little more. I don't have to take it completely out, but as long as most of it's flat, it'll look pretty good. Or I could spend the time and take it completely out, but I don't think I'm going to. I'll get most of it out. What's a Billee got? Big block? What size big block?
670, correct.
670 big block? I get to drive the golf cart. This thing's fast. Want to race? Ready, set, go. Oh. It hesitated. She's a ripper. I'm not sure if you guys remember, but this is the cart that he had in Florida. It was white at the time. He put a few grand in it, so he put the 670 Predator in. Had it painted up and put a whole bunch of new stuff on it. Looks good. Goes good. Almost ready. Not perfectly flat. Can't believe you did this paint job, Bill.
Yeah, don't blame it on me.
Man.
I told you this.
What a shitty job you did.
Yeah, I could have did better with Cat Black.
Looking good.
That was that bad spot, right?
Yeah. Shining.
Not too bad.
Shining pretty good.
What'd you do with my stuff?
Should have sanded it flatter though. It'll be alright. Washing all the compound off. At least it's shiny now. So it's definitely shining. Still got a little bit of orange peel. I probably should have sanded a little more. I still gotta wash some of that off by hand. I use a brush. But yeah, you can still see it. See the orange peel? Alright, here it is. All waxed, cleaned up, 99% of the compounds off of it. It's okay. Like I said, it still has a little bit of orange peel. It does shine really good. Took a lot of extra work using turbo cans. Would I do it again? Probably not. Because if you use better product, it should spray out good enough so you don't have to sand it and buff it. But I'm happy with it. Like I said, you can still see there's some orange peel in there, some cracks. But it definitely looks a ton better than it used to. It's not a show car, but it's still about a 20 footer because this hood was in such bad shape. I don't really know if you could see it, but the paint was gone, the fiberglass was lifting. I sanded it, high bill primer, sanded it. I should have done a little more work on it, but it's good enough. She's done. No more car turbo can paint for me.
Is that a Pontiac Fiero?
Impressive. I know.
No. No, that's not impressive.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.